Phoenix.
Phoenix, Saigon. That's the name of your niece.
What is the menu?
Hello. Hello. So nice. Wow, so nice. So nice. So to order, you have to scan the code. So I'll show you. So yeah, this one you have to. So this is the name of the restaurant, and then you have to scan the code to open the app for your orders. You can check online what you want to eat. So I like their decorations. They have their complimentary drink, the tea. The tea tastes like peanut. The peanut. Sweet pork. Awesome. Good evening, wonderful people. How's everyone doing? So right now, I think it's already 10 p.m. Yeah, and then we are just walking here, going to Ben Thanh area. Yeah, join us here. The moon is full. Look at that, it's awesome. So nice. The lights are on and it's colorful. It's beautiful. Oh. Imagine we're almost at the Saigon Center. That's the Saigon Sky Deck.
Huh?
The Saigon Sky Deck. MB. So nice. I don't know when will they open the train station here. There's a new station. The Ben Thanh station. This is it. This is it. So nice. So beautiful. still closed. Mm-hmm. There are lots of dogs. It's nice here. Wow, this is like a dog garden. Pet garden. There are lots of small dogs here too. So that's the Ben Thanh market. Yeah, we'll try to come tomorrow. Ben Thanh market. So nice there. I think these are the tourists. Ah, so cute. So small.
Excuse me.
So this is new, huh? They are not opening this one yet. So this is the Ben Thanh station. Actually, there's another one there, and then I think this is the main. Yep. So this is like the, what do you call this? Station 2. Yeah, station 2. The other side. So nice. Okay, because there are the group of Indian people that asking where is the walking street, so let's join them. Let's show them where it is. Hey, you want to play? Come here. Come here, play. Come here, play. Play. Play.
Oh, you're soft.
Yeah, he wants that. He
So
wants that.
soft.
He wants that. He wants that. He wants to play.